It's almost as unique as a fingerprint. A Universal Unique Identifier, or UUID, is a 128-bit value used to uniquely identify almost anything imaginable on the internet. For example, they can identify databases, system instances, primary keys, Bluetooth profiles, or objects with short lifetimes. A UUID is almost guaranteed to be unique from any other UUID now until forever. Well, at least until the year 3400. But you might inadvertently create a duplicate of a UUID, for example, when copying VM files. Read more about how to prevent UUID-related network conflicts in the link above or the description below. UUID is the same as GUID, or Globally Unique Identifier. Originally, GUID referred to a variant of UUID used by Microsoft, but the terms have since become synonymous. UUIDs are generated using advanced algorithms. They don't have to be issued by any central authority, though. Anyone can generate a UUID with a variety of free tools and websites. The UUID's sequence of digits ensures its uniqueness. Its hexadecimal ID is written as 32 characters with 4 hyphens in groupings of 8, 4, 4, 4, and 12. If by some chance a certain UUID is generated more than once for different objects, that's called a collision. But the chances of collision are so low that for practical purposes, it's negligible. There are 3 variants of UUIDs: Variant 0, which is obsolete now, Variant 1, which is the main variant used today, and Variant 2, which is reserved for Microsoft backward compatibility. Of Variant 1 UUIDs, there are then several versions, which differ in how they are constructed and what they're best suited for. For example, version 1 UUIDs use the computer's MAC address and current date and time in their creation. This guarantees a completely unique ID with very small chances of collision, but it sacrifices anonymity. Someone could potentially identify the time and place of creation. Version 4 UUIDs are generated completely randomly and have no identifying information, but introduces the low possibility that a UUID could be duplicated. What UUID version best suits your needs? Share your thoughts in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe as well.